American Facility Services.
Are you considering having your parking facility cleaned? You've come to the right place.
Did you know the stormwater system empties directly into our rivers, lakes, and the oceans without being treated? Only rainwater should go into the stormwater drain. 1 quart of oil can contaminate as much as 100,000 gallons of drinking water.
American Facility Services is your solution to eliminating contaminants, and it is EPA approved. That's right, EPA approved. We invited the EPA to our facilities for a demonstration, and not only were they impressed with our cleaning process, but it met with 100% approval.
AFS has invested in state-of-the-art equipment. AFS has spared no expense to make sure all jobs are completed effectively, efficiently, and most importantly, environmentally safe.
The equipment's 360-degree turning radius allows us to maneuver around any obstacle. The system has a high-powered engine and an onboard vacuuming system for wastewater reclamation. An operator can effectively clean a 4-foot path. Underneath the cleaning deck unit are 2 belt-driven rotary arms that rotate at 2,800 RPMs and 8 hydrojet nozzles rated at 4,000 psi. Water is introduced to the cleaning surface at a maximum temperature of 220 degrees. While reclaiming the hazardous wastewater and reducing water consumption by 80%, the process prevents wastewater runoff into the storm drains, which is environmentally safe.
What makes our cleaning process EPA approved is the ability of reclaiming, eliminating, and recycling hazardous wastewater runoffs into our stormwater system. And this can be done at any site. As we demonstrate the wastewater treatment process, first we must transfer the contaminated water over to the water treatment tanks. This process takes less than 30 seconds. And once the contaminated water is transferred, the operator is sent on his way to continue cleaning the parking surface areas. A polymer flocculant additive is measured according to the amount of contaminated water that is being treated, in this case 200 gallons of water. Secondly, the additive is introduced to the contaminated water. The cover is secured onto the water tank with an attached agitator and turned on. Here is a demonstration of what takes place inside the 200-gallon water treatment tank. As you can see, the hazardous waste in the water is being separated. Next, a valve located on the bottom side of the wastewater treatment tank is opened. The processed water flows into a 100-micron water filter bag, which is placed over a 200-gallon clean water recovery tank. And finally, 200 gallons of hazardous wastewater has been processed and cleaned and ready to be recycled through our state-of-the-art cleaning equipment. Take another look at our 3-step process. Number 1, hazardous contaminants are extracted from the parking garage surface. Number 2, polymer flocculant additive is introduced to wastewater. Number 3, water is processed through a 100-micron filter and ready to be reused. In addition, we have specialized hand tools that clean those hard-to-reach areas. As demonstrated, you can see there is no wastewater runoff, which eliminates your EPA concerns. Again, take notice of the cleaning effectiveness produced by our equipment. Before ending this presentation, take the 4E challenge. Can the contractor clean effectively? What type of equipment will the contractor use? What type of pressure is produced by the equipment? How many gallons per minute can the equipment generate? Ask the contractor to perform a demo and produce pictures of the equipment. Can the contractor clean efficiently? How many square feet per hour can be cleaned? Is the contractor's cleaning process environmentally friendly? Where will the hazardous water be disposed of? If disposed of improperly, the owner of the facility can be heavily fined by the EPA. Under the Protection of the Environment Operations Act 1997, Council and EPA officers can issue severe fines for allowing anything other than rainwater to enter a gutter or stormwater drains, even if this is accidental. Is the cleaning process EPA approved? If not, the contractor will need an industrial wastewater permit. If the cleaning process has been EPA approved, the owner of the facility where the pavement washing is being performed must contact the EPA for approval of the washing operation at their facility. Our cleaning process is effective. Hose management system that can pivot 360 degrees. Hot water system rated at 200 degrees. Dual independent hydraulic drive system. 4,000 psi pressure control valve. 2 belt-driven rotary arms rated at 3,000 RPMs. 8 high-pressure hydro nozzles rated at 4,000 psi at 3,000 RPMs. Our cleaning process is efficient. Cleaning rates in excess of 10,000 square feet per hour. 48-inch cleaning path. Our cleaning process is environmentally friendly. Reduce water consumption by 80%. Built-in water vacuum recovery system. Reclamation of hazardous wastewater. 180-gallon reclamation collection tank. And finally, our cleaning process is EPA approved. EPA approved wastewater reclamation cleaning system. Wastewater is recycled, processed, and reused for cleaning.
Let's face it, you're in the business to rent parking spaces. The longer it takes to clean the parking facility, the less revenue collected.
American Facility Services,